Today we have completed the exercise 2.1. Now I am telling you some formulas which are similar to your trigonometry formulas, which is because it is a name, you know that is a okay. Just I am sin inverse 1 upon x, yeah, cos inverse cosec inverse x equal to sin inverse 1 upon x. ठीक है, जैसे you have learned cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. Similarly, cosec inverse x is equal to sin inverse x, or sin inverse x equal to cosec inverse 1 upon x. ठीक है. Similarly, you can do all other formulas also in the same manner. ठीक है. So just I am doing the one part, first part, that is sin inverse x is equal to sin inverse 1 upon x. Suppose ये cosec inverse x, cosec inverse x equal to theta. ये we are left. So x equal to cosec theta. 1 upon x is equal to sin theta. From here we get theta equal to sin inverse 1 upon x. But theta is equal to cosec inverse x, or x equal to cosec inverse x. So as I have used proved this one, so remaining 5 trigonometric function you can do in this way. You have to, it is not difficult to learn also, memorize also. It is similar to the which you have done in, it is similar to trigonometric function because the name is inverse trigonometric function. Now we are taking the next step. We are taking some the form of sin minus sin inverse minus x. We want to find out the value of this one. So let it is equal to theta. So this implies minus x is equal to sin theta. This implies x is equal to minus sin theta. X is equal to minus sin theta. So we can write x is equal to sin minus theta. ठीक है. Now you convert here sin inverse minus x equal to minus theta. In place of minus theta, you have to multiply here. You know what you will get? You will get minus sin inverse x is equal to theta. But theta is equal to sin inverse minus x. So we get this relation wherever we get sin inverse minus x, which will be equal to minus sin inverse x. So ठीक है. Similar way you can find the value of tan inverse minus x or cosec inverse minus x. But you observe that tan cos inverse minus x is not equal to just I am doing cos inverse minus x. Okay, in place of if we take this one, so what will happen? Minus x is equal to cos theta. X is equal to, ठीक है, we multiplying by minus cos theta, ठीक है, but it is minus cos theta. We know that cos minus theta, it is not equal to cos minus cos theta. So we are, according to their domain, we are converting into cos pi minus theta. ठीक है, x is equal to cos pi minus theta. Cos we take it so here, so cos inverse x is equal to pi minus theta. Theta is equal to cos inverse minus x. We can interchange also, so cos inverse minus x is equal to pi minus cos inverse x. So for three trigonometric ratio, inverse trigonometric ratio, you have to multiply only with minus sign. Tan inverse minus x, tan inverse minus x, and cosec inverse minus x. But in case of cos inverse minus x is equal to pi minus cos inverse x. ठीक है. Similarly, if you have sec inverse minus x, then you have to again use this formula pi minus sec inverse x. Similarly, cot inverse. In case cot inverse also, because we have taking the domain, we use this pi minus cot inverse x. ठीक है. What domain, whatever domain we have decided, according there, we have converted into inverse trigonometry function taking the principal branch. So these formulas are the new formulas. ठीक है, but these are similar to your trigonometry. ठीक है, you can learn very easily. Now we are taking the another formula. It is sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. This we want to prove. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Similarly, cos inverse x, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x. So let the method is same, is equal to theta. So x is equal to sin theta. ठीक है, for sin theta we want to convert into cos, so we can convert into cos pi by 2 minus theta. Pi by 2 minus theta. ठीक है, cos को we are converting here, taking here cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus theta. Theta is equal to sin inverse x. So sin inverse x को if we take in left hand side, then it becomes sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. ठीक है, this is we have proved just now. ठीक है, so this is the formula. Similarly you have to use. Now we are taking the tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. We want to prove this one. This is the formula of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, which is equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. But you have to take care of that xy should be less than equal to 1, because it is not equal to 1, less than 1. Because if it will be negative, then we have to take care of the domain, otherwise the function will not be as we have decided into the principal branch. Okay, so for that we are letting that tan inverse x is equal to theta and tan inverse y equal to suppose 5. So x will be equal to tan theta and y equal to tan phi. Now you can apply the formula of tan, ठीक है, theta plus phi. theta plus phi equal to tan theta, देखिए tan x plus y, tan x plus tan y upon 1 minus tan theta tan 1, tan theta tan 1. If now you put the value of tan theta, we have let the tan theta is equal to x, which is equal to x plus y. It is 5. No? In place of tan theta, we can put x, and tan phi is equal to y upon 1 minus x1. This tan we have to take to right hand side. If we take to right hand side, then here I am writing theta plus phi equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus x1. चलो इसको मैं यहीं पे कर लेता हूँ, स्पेस कम हो रही है। थीटा प्लस फाइव इक्वल टू tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus x1. In place of theta, we can put tan inverse x. In place of y, tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus x1. Similarly, you can prove the formula of minus here. If you put minus here, it will be minus, this will be plus. Okay, these are similar to your trigonometry formulas. Okay. Similarly, you can prove the formula of sin 2 theta in terms of tan. Okay. This formula 2 tan inverse x is equal to 2 tan inverse x equal to sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. To prove this one. For proving this one, we have three formulas tan 2 theta. You have remember, देखिए sin 2x में we can convert into tan also. Cos 2x को we can also convert in tan terms. ऐसी similarly we can convert tan also. ठीक है? So we are assuming that tan inverse x is equal to theta let tan inverse x is equal to theta. So x is equal to tan theta. ठीक है? It is better you take the right hand side. If you take right hand side, sin inverse 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. So you got sin inverse sin 2 theta. We have three formulas. Okay. In terms of sin can also converted into tan, cos also can converted into tan, tan is also converted into tan. Sin 2x is equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Tan 2 theta is equal to tan 2 theta equal to cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta 1 minus tan square theta. So little difference here. So it is equal to 2x, where we can take sin inverse sin 2x. The sin inverse to sin we can cancel. ठीक है? It is equal to sin 2x. So in place of x, here, sorry, here we have theta. Just put theta here. This is written in the terms of theta. 2 theta. In place of theta, we can write 2 tan inverse x. So similarly, other two formulas you can prove yourself. So now we have finished the, okay? Just remember this one. This second chapter we will finish. है ना? We have decided that your exam will be from starting from 9th, ठीक है? 9th June. Just remember that for the chapter number 1, we have completed the 2 exercise only. So I will give you only the questions which are related to exercise first and second. ठीक है? Whatever I have taught you, you will get the answer from that portion only. ठीक है? Chapter, I am sure that chapter 2 will be completed in this week. ठीक है? So remaining 1 to 4 chapter you have to prepare for the exam. ठीक है? For first chapter you have only 2 exercises. For remaining we have completed the all exercises, all questions. So these will be included in your syllabus. Exercise 2.2. The first question is 3 sin inverse x equal to sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube. X belongs to minus 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. Okay, this is given in your question. So we are starting, you have to just take care of x belongs to 1 minus 1 upon 2. We are assuming that let sin inverse x is equal to theta. So x will be equal to sin theta. If you put x is equal to 1 upon, चलो इसको बाद में देखते हैं. First you take the right hand side. In right hand side we are putting sin inverse in place of x sin theta. So 3 sin theta minus 4 sin q theta. Sin inverse sin 3 theta, it will be equal to 3 theta. Theta is equal to how much? Theta is equal to sin inverse x. It is equal to left hand side. They have given you the domain. Domain they have given you x is equal to 1 upon 2 or minus 1 upon 2. है ना? Just see here, they have given you x is belong to 1 upon 2. यानी कि it will be equal to x is minus 1 upon 2 to 1 upon 2. So we have converted x is equal to sin theta. So what will be the value of theta? Theta की value कितनी होगी? Theta will be equal to minus k pi upon 6 to pi upon plus pi upon 6. If we multiply by 3 theta, है ना? If we want to show the domain of this one, it will be equal to minus pi by 2. If you multiply by 3, so 3 theta will be equal to pi upon 2. यानी कि this angle should come in our domain. What domain we have decided? Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So according to that, this formula sin inverse sin function. Wherever you will have to applying the sin inverse sin, the domain should match with the sin function. If you apply this formula, sin into Sine inverse, it will be also equal to x. But you have to take care of the domain of the sine inverse function. So sine inverse x function की domain will be -1 to 1. If we have the condition, this condition you have to take care. Generally question में they will give you question according to the which satisfy the our domain. But in some question, in some competitive exam, if you are going to give, then you have to take care of these things. They can give you some other branches also, so you have to convert to your principal branch, or you have to use the different formula. So just see here again how we have solved 3 sine inverse x is equal to sine inverse 3x minus 4x cube. This is the formula of sine 3 theta. We are observing that it is very simple. We have done so many questions in 11th class. So we have used this concept. First of all, we let sin inverse x is equal to theta, x is equal to sin theta. After converting this one, we have taken the right hand side. Right hand side where we have put the value of x is equal to sin theta. We got this is the formula of sin 3 theta. Sin inverse sin theta will be 3 theta only when if 3 theta belongs to the principal branch of sin. ठीक है? So it is equal to 3 theta. So it will be equal to the value of theta. It is equal to 3 sin, which is equal to the left hand side. ठीक है? In the same way, you can do the question number 2 yourself. ठीक है? Similar question है. It will equal to the, you have to use the formula of cos 3 theta. But you have to show this one also. This is also the part of the question. ठीक है? If you show it, it will be better. Now see the question number 3rd. Tan inverse 2 upon 11 plus tan inverse 7 upon 24. We have to prove equal to tan inverse 1 upon 2. देखो, what was the condition of tan y? We can use the formula of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. The condition was x, y should be less than 1. Just check that one 2 upon 7 and 7 upon 24. ठीक है? It is equal to 1 or this is less than 1. है ना? 1 upon 12. So we can apply this formula. So which is this, we are taking the left hand side. In left hand side, we are applying this formula. The tan inverse, it will be equal to tan inverse 2 upon 11 plus 7 upon 24 divided by 1 minus 2 upon 11 into 7 upon 24. Is not. This is 2 upon 11 or 7 upon 24. Yes, we have to take in place of x 2 upon 11. If you divide this one, it is not cancelling. It will be equal to 200 to 4, which is less than 1. Our before using, we have to convert. We have to confirm. It should be less than 1. So tan inverse, we have to take the LCM 11 into 24. 11 you have to multiply 2 4 8, 2 2 4, 77 divided by 7 to 14, 11 into 24. We can cancel this, you know. Now you can add tan inverse 7 or 8 15 or 5 or 7, 12. 4 minus 4, 0. 6 minus 1, 5, 250. You can cancel this one, which is equal to tan inverse 1 upon 2. ठीक है? So we have proved this one. In this way, you have to do the question number 4000. First of all, you have two tan inverse x. Two tan inverse x formula they have given you. Tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. ठीक है? So you can do question number 4. After that, you can use the formula this one, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. I am just taking the question number 5. Okay, remaining question I am just telling you. देखो बेटा क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 है tan इनवर्स 1 plus x square minus 1 upon x. Write the following function in the simplest form. So you have to write the formula in simplest form. So what you can do. So whenever you get 1 plus x square, so what value we should put to simplify? Let x is equal to how much? Tan theta. ठीक है? It will be equal to tan inverse 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 divided by tan theta. Tan inverse 1 plus tan square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. So sec square theta, if we take the root, it will be equal to sec theta minus 1 divided by tan theta. Okay, now what we can do, we can convert sec theta 1 upon cos theta. So 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta. How it will come? If we put the value of 1 upon cos theta, so 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta. In place of sin theta, tan theta, sin theta upon cos theta. So cos theta we can cancel. Now we are applying the formula of tan inverse 1 minus 1 plus 2 sin square. You have remembered the formula of cos 2 theta 1 minus 2 sin square theta. In place of theta, we have 2 theta, we have theta. Then the angle will be divided by 2. Similarly, we are using the formula of sin theta, 2 sin theta by 2 and cos theta by 2. 1 से 1 we have cancelled. 2 से 2. Sin theta by 2, sin theta by 2. Tan inverse tan theta by 2. ठीक है, tan inverse tan से we can cancel, which is equal to theta by 2. Theta by 2 means 1 upon 2. We have assumed here tan inverse x. So this will be the simplest form. Simplest form, okay, we try to write in the product, in multiplication or division, whatever, it should be one term. So in this way, we have completed this part by using the trigonometry. So inverse trigonometry, we are using the only trigonometry or algebra only. Now we see the next part. Question number 6, 7, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 है आपका, tan इनवर्स 1/x² -1। ठीक है, इन 7 क्वेश्चन है, दोनों बता देता हूँ मैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 है आपका, tan इनवर्स 1 - cos x divided by 1 plus cos x। देखिए, if we have the x² plus 1, तो we put in place of x is equal to tan theta। If we have x² minus 1, so we put let x is equal to sec theta। ठीक है, because sec square theta minus 1 equal to tan square theta। So you can write here tan inverse 1 upon sec square theta minus 1। Sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan theta। तो tan theta को we can write cot theta, है ना, because 1 upon tan theta is equal to cot theta। But here is tan inverse, it is cot, so we can convert cot theta into tan by using the formula tan 90 minus theta, pi by 2 minus theta। Now tan inverse tan is equal to pi by 2 minus theta। ठीक है, pi by 2 minus theta। तो in place of theta we can put the value tan inverse, sorry, sec inverse x। Now we assume that x is equal to sec theta, so theta we have to write the value of in terms of sec inverse x। This is the answer। So pi by 2 minus sec inverse x, so you can write the cosec inverse also, cosec inverse x also। ठीक है, so first of all we have assumed that x is equal to sec theta। After assuming, put the value of sec theta, sec square theta equal to tan square theta, 1 upon tan theta is equal to cot theta। So tan inverse tan theta is equal to pi by 2 minus theta, which is equal to pi by 2 minus theta। So in place of theta we have written sec inverse x, so pi by 2 minus sec inverse x, so we can write cosec inverse x। ठीक है, you can leave here also or here also, or we can write sin inverse 1 upon x also। ठीक है, both are possibility, many possibilities are here। Now we are doing here this question also, tan inverse, wherever we get the 1 minus cos x root also, so we use the formula where we can get cancel 1। We are using here 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2। We have not supposed anything, we are directly using, because directly we can uh, do the sum operations। ठीक है, so here the no operation was possible, but here some operations are possible, so we are using this one। So minus minus it will be plus, because we have used the formula 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2। Here we are using the formula 1 plus 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1। 1 से 1 we can cancel। Now we get tan inverse 2 से 2 we can cancel tan x by 2, tan inverse tan, which is equal to 1, 2। So this is the answer। We have not supposed any value, we have not assumed any value। ठीक है, directly we get the simplest form in terms of x। Now we are taking the next question, it may be the last for today। ठीक है, remaining question I will tell you tomorrow। ठीक है, you are going to give exam from 9th onwards। ठीक है, Even then, if you have any problem, any doubt, you can ask me. Either you can send your problem also.